First, let's talk about the conditions that led to the emergence of the Mahaprajnaparamita Sutra. Regarding the conditions under which the Buddha expounded the Mahaprajnaparamita Sutra, there is a passage in the Mahaprajnaparamitopads. Bodhisattva Narayana said, "For what reasons did the Buddha expound the Mahaprajnaparamita Sutra? What kind of conditions exactly led the Buddha to expound this Prajna Sutra?" Why is there such a question? Because the Buddhas of the past, future, and present would not start preaching scriptures without any special or minor conditions. Just as Mount Su, the king of mountains, is not shaken by trivial matters or minor conditions, just like the Himalayas, which do not shake without reason. The mind of the Buddha is also like this. It remains steadfast. There must be some conditions, or someone requests the Buddha to expound the Dharma, and then the Buddha will expound the meaning of the Dharma to the public. Next, let's talk about what these conditions are. First, to dispel various wrong views of non-Buddhist sections. We're non-Buddhist sects. Are all those who do not practice Buddhism considered non-Buddhist sects? That's not the case. The so-called path refers to the path leading to liberation and happiness. When we follow this path, we can move towards happiness and liberation, and it is the perfect and ultimate path. So what about non-Buddhist sects? Non-Buddhist sects believe that the path lies outside the body and mind, and that happiness and liberation come from external sources. Therefore, they seek it in external situations such as people, things, and events. If I'm very wealthy, I will be happy. If I have a lot of power, I will be happy. If I have a great career, I will be happy. If I have something, I will be happy. These are all external to the body and mind and cannot lead to ultimate happiness. The Buddha tells us that true happiness and liberation do not come from external sources, but should be sought by looking within our own minds. Therefore, in order to dispel the various wrong views of non-Buddhist sects, the Buddha expounded the Prajna Sutras. The Prajna Sutras teach us how to attain happiness, freedom, and liberation, as well as what the methods are for learning Prajna wisdom and how to apply ourselves in practice. See you in the next episode.